Ever wondered about the hidden gems in the world of lean meats? Well, let me introduce you to quail meat, a small package with a big punch. Quail meat is not only delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients that your body will thank you for. Imagine a meat that's low in fat yet rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals. That's quail for you. First up, protein. Quail meat is a fantastic source of high-quality protein, making it perfect for muscle repair and growth. Whether you're hitting the gym or just want to stay active, quail meat can give you that extra boost you need. Next, let's talk about vitamins. Quail meat is loaded with B vitamins, especially B12, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy nervous system. And don't forget the iron. This lean meat provides an excellent source of iron, helping to keep your energy levels up and fight off fatigue. But wait, there's more. Quail meat is also rich in essential minerals like phosphorus and selenium. These minerals play a vital role in bone health and thyroid function, ensuring your body functions optimally. And here's a fun fact. Quail meat is also easier to digest compared to other meats, making it a great option for those with sensitive stomachs. Plus, it's incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can grill it, roast it, or even toss it in a salad for a nutritious meal. So next time you're at the market, give quail meat a try. Your body will love you for it. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring new ways to nourish yourself. Until next time.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.